back. So of course I'm starting off with a clean face. I did just get out of the shower. I'm gonna take some baby wipes because I always have them on hand with all of my kids. So I'm taking that and I'm using that to take off any excess mascara. And I like doing this because sometimes just washing my face does not get the mascara off my eyes. I do like to go in with the Dove Beauty Bar while I'm in the shower because it's great for sensitive skin and it does not dry your skin out. So the Dove just original Beauty Bar is amazing for taking off your makeup as a step one. And that's what I've done. Also, I wanted to show you guys, these are the vitamins that I have been taking and they have been really helping with my skin. So yeah, I'm taking the Vanity Planet Skin for Perfect Skin brush and some cleanser to cleanse my skin. I did wet my face first, as you're seeing now. But I decided to use my Freeman's Black Sugar and Charcoal Mask Scrub. It's really amazing. Don't mind my husband. He is so crazy, y'all. He reps Texas no matter what. I'm just putting that all over my face and I'm going to start to wash it now. But yeah, I like to do this on the days where I've been wearing a lot of makeup. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to continue to take all of that and rub it all over my face, and then I'm going to go in and dry it off. I'm going to go in with that cleanser you just saw. It's the Neutrogena Hydro Gel Facial Cleanser. It's really, really good. It smells amazing, and it's very gentle on the skin, and it gives your skin that extra hydration that it needs, which is a good thing to look for in a cleanser. So I'm just using the same brush and taking that off. Here, my husband is like setting me up. And my cat just attacked my leg, and I swear it's his fault. So now I'm just going to pat my face dry. You don't ever want to rub your skin. You just want to pat it. And then I'm going to go into toners. Now for toners, I like to use two different ones. Right now I'm using the Tea Tree Body Shop and the Dickinson's Witch Hazel. I like to use the Witch Hazel one on a regular basis. And when I'm having breakouts, I like to use the Blemish toner from the Body Shop, and I will have all that stuff in the description box that you are seeing. And I do have some problem areas, so I'm just putting the blemish toner on that. Then I'm going to go into my moisturizer, and I have been loving the Nivea cream one as of lately. I don't have anything that, you know, fancy or just super in particular that I like to use. It's just whatever I have on hand. But this one's really thick and it moisturizes my skin very well, and I do apply this day and night. Alright y'all, so once I have applied my moisturizer, I always spray with the Rose Water Spray by Bedescu, and that's basically it, you guys. I just try to use as simple products as I can because I do have sensitive skin. I have been taking those vitamins that you saw, which have really been helping me as well, and just trying to drink water. Right now, I'm just going in and taking a Q-tip and just getting, you know, sometimes the mascara gets stuck in my eyes. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.